You gonna strap them tyres down properly this time?
Are you gonna have you got the straps to go over the tyres or not really?
He has.
Have you?
He's professional.
He's a pro.
You wish?
He seems very efficient to me. It's got, oh look, these are all rolled up, beautiful.
It's the only way. I can't function, I have to be organised, like over-organised.
Well, that's all right. But it's good for your brain.
Hey, Al, thanks again for all your help. Really appreciate it.
So this is the 75 Dart. It's a 318. It's pretty much a survivor. It's got about 75,000 miles on it. Original everything. Apart from the vinyl roof has been removed. But it's a pretty honest body. Very little rust. Couple of pinholes where the spare wheel goes in the trunk section. It's got the rally wheels. It's a New Mexico car, so its last registration was in 1984. So yeah, it hasn't seen much traveling, but it's been sitting out in the sun, as you can see. It's a little bit baked, and the dash is quite baked as well. But in general, the seats are serviceable. In the back seat, if I can get in there, in the Hang 10 edition, the back seat folds down, and you can whack your shortboard in there. That was the selling point of this vehicle. So it's based on the A-body chassis. As you can see there, that's one of the door trims at the top there. I have some good condition ones coming from the States, which was quite a task to find. But I can reuse the center trims on the door panels there and just put some new vinyl, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and keep it as found, pretty much, just get mechanicals working. So that's a bit of sun fade there from the desert sun. So as you can see, there's the back. The 74 Hang 10 and the 75 were slightly different. They're just using up some of the trim package across here. The 74 didn't have that. Obviously it's got the crash bumpers with the overriders, which I'm probably going to remove and bring the spacers in and make the bumpers a bit more flush with the car. And it's got the trusty 318 in this particular one. So it's pretty much stock standard. Nothing has been messed with. Still the original radiator. It's got the Chrysler printing on there. It's got all the stickers still. Has power steering and AC. Power brakes. I think it has discs on the front and drums on the back. I haven't had it up on the hoist yet, which hopefully that's going to be today. But yeah, it's a pretty honest car. Would be pretty rare here in Australia. I don't think there was too many Hang 10s imported over here. As you can see there, some of the similarities to our VG Valiant, like the floor shape. So there's a front carpet from a VG. We've got lots of similar things. The door handles are the same as our VGs. The dome lights, that lens is a VG one I've just put in there. So yeah, plenty of things that are the same that I'm finding. So maybe suspension components and rubbers and bushings will probably be the same, so I'll be able to get them here in Australia. So I'm going to attempt to take these overriders, these things off, see what the chrome's like behind them, and they're a little bit ugly, so we'll see. So I've sprayed some WD-40 off on all the nuts and bolts. So the front ones are off, and yeah, it doesn't look too bad. A slight mark there, but overall pretty good. Just buy some plugs, put in there, so away we go. As you can see, they're in pretty good condition. I'd put some like CRC WD-40 on them before I took them off, which helped a little bit, but it wasn't too strenuous. And there's a little bit of surface rust inside, but generally speaking, they're in pretty good condition. Yeah, but they're just massive, so gonna have to go. So yeah, it'll look way better with the bumpers flush to the body. So I was recently at the Denmark tip shop. People donate stuff there. You pay a nominal amount and you can grab whatever you like. So this short board is going to be the Hang 10 board. Remove that back grip pad, and then yeah, we'll do a Hang 10 board for the back. So as always, thanks for watching. Catch you up on the next one.